In this video, I'll show you how to join the Elden Ring Nightreign Discord server. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, this is what we're going to type: Elden -ring. So make sure you spell it exactly like that or it won't work, and then press Join with the invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Elden Ring Nightreign server. Press Accept Invite, and then press Confirm at the bottom if you get this capture message. However, you might not get one. That's going to load us into the server. First of all, there's going to be a server onboarding, and it's going to ask 3 questions. Select Nightreign for the first one, and then choose whatever platform you play on, along with what notifications you want. Next, you need to read and agree to the server rules. And we've now joined the Elden Ring Nightreign Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.